Hey guys, this is Sobknife Mall Technologies. Now the reason why I'm doing this video is because there are some amazing offers on Amazon which you should definitely not miss out, because few days back I was just looking at one laptop for around like 26,000 rupees. I never got that laptop, but that laptop is available today for around 22,000 rupees, which is just insane. Like, it comes with i3 6th generation, 1 TB hard disk, 4 GB of RAM and whatnot. So for that price it is just an amazing deal. And on top of that, you get 15% off if you have a HDFC debit card or credit card, and there are such amazing offers and deals. So I'll explain you all that later in this video. Now there are a lot of people who might not have Prime membership, so for those, these offers, you can't really get these offers. So you need to get a Prime membership to get these offers. And if you have a 30-day trial Prime membership, even then you won't really get these offers, because it is just for people who have the paid Prime membership. So I have paid 500 rupees. And in my opinion, it is just paisa vasool and completely amazing, because for 500 rupees you get to see all the videos like Prime videos and movies and whatnot. I just watched Hindi medium on Amazon Prime Video. So there are such amazing movies and videos that you can see on that. Also, there are some amazing stand-up comedy videos. So if you like that, then it is just totally worth spending 500 rupees. On top of that, you get next day delivery for free of cost. Apart from that, you get free of charge delivery if you buy products for less than 500 rupees. So most of the products, if you buy for less than 500 rupees, you have to pay 50 rupees or 100 rupees extra for the delivery. So you don't really have to pay 50 and 100 rupees extra for delivery. So that is amazing. And you also can get same day delivery. So if you order before 11 AM, you can get the product like same day if you stay in Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, I guess. In Mumbai it is there. So yeah, you can get same day delivery if you order it before 11 AM. It is not on all products, but it is on a lot of products. You just have to pay 50 rupees extra. Now in Prime membership, if you get Prime membership, you can order anything. You can order soap, you can order Colgate, you can order lots and lots of things from Amazon without any delivery charge. So it is just amazing in my opinion, and you should definitely get this Amazon Prime membership. Now I'll leave the link in the description box if you are interested in getting one. So just click on that link and get the Amazon Prime membership for around 499 rupees. It is just amazing. And after that, you can get all these deals. Now all these deals I'll share on my Facebook page and on Twitter. On Twitter, I will share individual deals. So just follow me on Twitter if you want to see individual deals. On Facebook, I'll share the list which I will edit. If I find out some amazing deals, like I'll add, if I find out some amazing deals on earphones, headphones, laptops, power banks. So just follow my Facebook page, or like my Facebook page to see all the deals, and just follow me on Twitter to see all those individual deals. So guys, on the first page itself, you'll find all these deals, but if you don't really want to sit and find out each and every deals, then just follow me on my Facebook page and Twitter handle. As I mentioned earlier, I'll leave the link in the description box. And if you want to sit and find out individual deals, just use my Amazon link, because that will help out me and you won't be charged anything extra for that. Now in my opinion, these earphones are just amazing for around 300 rupees. So you can get these earphones. I'll leave the link in the description box. Apart from it, if you get the Amazon gift card, or if you want to send Amazon gift card to someone, you will get 10% cash back, which is amazing. So just read the offer details, and yeah, you can send out the gift card to your friend or someone. Now also, there was this amazing deal on this Syska LED bulbs. You can get the 2 bulbs for around 169 rupees with delivery, which is amazing. Now if you want to get something expensive, like if you want to spend more than 5,000 rupees on any product, then just check out if your friends have HDFC card. Just ask them, because you'll get 15% cash back. So you'll get minimum 2,000 cash back if you spend more than 5,000 rupees. So that is also an insane deal in my opinion. And there are these amazing offers on the home related products. So you get 10% back on 1,000, you get 15% back on 2,000. And there are these combo offers and whatnot. So you can check out all these things. I'll leave the link in the description box for this one also. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel, so that you don't miss out such amazing deals and amazing videos on my channel. Make sure to follow me on all my social media networks. Links are there in the description box. That's it guys. This is Sobknife Mall Technologies. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.